Hello AI lover and big data enthusiast. Do you want to become a professional big data scientist with expertise in the Pyspark programming language? Well then, this is the right video for you. So let's understand the importance of Pyspark first. The Python interface to Spark is Pyspark. This Python library is an immensely valuable tool for big data scientists. Pyspark can simplify the process for rendering prototype models into production-ready model workflows. So let's now look at the relevance of big data analytics in today's world. 90 billion emails, 500 million tweets, 65 million WhatsApp messages. These are the numbers for a single day. And Facebook alone generates 4 petabytes of data every single day. Just imagine the incredible challenges these mind-boggling numbers throw up. Big data is truly becoming bigger by the day, and it's growing at an unprecedented pace. But how do you store and process all this data? And how do you exploit the most relevant data for machine learning? Well, this is where Pyspark comes into play. Pyspark deals with enormous amounts of data in an efficient manner. So regardless of your skill level and your proficiency in big data, Pyspark is a great language to learn. So enrolling in this Learning by Doing course is a brilliant career move. This course will propel you to the next level. Let me explain. The course curriculum is up to date. Every Pyspark concept has been simplified. The teaching methodology keeps you engaged throughout the whole process. The course tutorials are subdivided into 140 plus short videos. The total runtime of the HD videos is around 16 hours. Detailed code notebooks are provided for free. Don't miss this in-depth course. Hurry up and enroll now. Become a big data expert with this Pyspark and AWS course.